What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
Many children do selfless actions. They don't mind getting something in return. Their solidarity is amazing. From time to time, they surprise us with kind attitudes, as in this case. If they're like that, they'll be great people when they grow up. This boy refused to cut his hair for 18 months, causing his peers to scoff. However, when they discovered the reason he was letting his hair down, he melted the hearts of the entire internet. Even his mom didn't know what it was. Because of his long blonde hair, many turned his head, and some thought that he was a girl. Not only that, but he was approached by a modeling agency looking for new women's faces. He suffered mockery at school, but still let his hair grow. After 18 months, he found himself sworn to silence by a charity, the Little Princess Trust. The organization makes wigs for children battling cancer. To make wigs, they depend on donations of hair. Little Kit released his hair for a year and a half so he could donate his hair to children with cancer. He won the applause. A viral video shared on Facebook has touched the hearts of thousands of users due to the supportive gesture of the brave child. That was what he did. The boy let his hair grow for 18 months and then donated it to people with cancer. This publication has become a trend in countries such as the United States, Mexico, and Spain. The images were disseminated through Facebook's Video Viral account, where some details of one of the most moving stories were shared. Currently, the publication has 1 million reactions and hundreds of comments. This is Kit Porritt, an admiral child from the United States who was a victim of bullying at school for having long hair. No one knew the reasons he had for growing his hair. However, at 18 months, Kit decided to post a video on Facebook revealing the reason for his challenge was to grow his hair, donate it to girls and boys with cancer and other diseases. The minor ignored the appeals that his classmates used for his physical appearance and continued his challenge. Now, asked through Facebook and other social networks that users are in solidarity with people suffering from this disease. Kit is an example of solidarity for all children of his age and also for the elderly, reads the Facebook Video Viral publication. Here we share the images of the moment when he was a child, cuts his hair to donate it. This is the video that was shared on Facebook and was viralized on other platforms by the admirable gesture that a child when donating his hair to people with cancer. This record has become viral, adding thousands and thousands of reproductions, comments, and reactions. And it's that the action of the little one has drawn many applauses around the world. His name's Kit Porritt, and he even confessed that he suffered from bullying at school due to his long hair. That didn't matter to him because he had a beautiful mission ahead of him. Without thinking about what they'll say, Kit set out to leave their long hair and did it for 18 months. He wanted to help people who suffer from cancer and see how their hair falls as a result of chemotherapy. Kit's an example of solidarity for all children his age and also for the elderly. One of the users commented on the post. No one knew why he wanted to let it grow. It was a kind of secret that few knew. He endured teasing and questioning because when the children occupied the wigs they would make their hair, everything would have been worth it. Kit is an example for many people, children and adults. His excitement was so much when they cut his hair that he wanted to invite everyone to do the same, especially his family. The boy won applause worldwide as his video toured several continents and countries, all praising his goodness. We should all imitate him and do good deeds. The video shows little Kit smiling as his hairdresser cuts his hair. After the recording was released online, it quickly became popular. What an amazing boy. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.